Hello and welcome. In this video, we're going to dive deep into the world of small talk. Now, small talk may seem like just casual chit-chat, but in reality, it's the key to building relationships, breaking the ice, and sounding natural in everyday English. So whether you're talking to colleagues, classmates, neighbors, or even strangers at a cafe, these 100 small talk sentences will give you the confidence you need. I'll also show you how to use them step by step so you can practice shadowing and improve your English fluency naturally. Let's get started with our very first category, greetings and openers. These are the sentences that help you begin any conversation without feeling awkward. Here are some natural ways to say hello and start a conversation. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and shadow my voice. Hi, how's your day going so far? Hey, good to see you again. What's up? How have you been? Long time no see. Morning. Did you sleep well? Hi there. How's everything with you? Hey, how's life treating you? Nice to meet you. I've heard a lot about you. How's your week going so far? Pause for a moment. These openers are short, simple, and effective. Use them in everyday conversations to sound friendly and approachable. Remember, small talk isn't about being perfect. It's about being natural. Now, let's move into casual daily small talk. These are the kinds of sentences you can use with coworkers, friends, or even people you just met. They're simple, but they make conversations flow naturally. How's the weather today? It's such a beautiful day, isn't it? Wow, it looks like it might rain later. Do you like this kind of weather? It feels so hot today, doesn't it? The weekend is almost here. Do you have any plans? Did you watch anything interesting last night? I finally got some good sleep yesterday. How was your commute today? I love how fresh the air feels this morning. Notice how each of these sentences can lead into a longer conversation. For example, if you ask about the weather and the other person says, "Yes, I love sunny days," you can continue by saying, "Me too. It makes me want to go outside." Let's continue with more examples. Have you tried that new cafe down the street? This place makes the best coffee, don't you think? What's your favorite type of food? I love trying new restaurants whenever I get the chance. Do you cook often at home? Have you ever eaten sushi? Do you prefer tea or coffee in the morning? I can't start my day without a cup of coffee. I'm trying to drink more water these days. Now, let's move to another very common area for small talk, work or studies. People often connect by talking about their daily responsibilities. How's work going for you lately? Is it a busy day at the office? What do you usually do at your job? Do you enjoy the work you're doing? I've been so busy with deadlines recently. Do you work from home or go to the office? I really like working with my team. They're great. What project are you working on right now? Do you usually take lunch breaks outside or at your desk? I had a long meeting today. It was exhausting. And if you're a student, here are some easy small talk sentences. What subject are you studying these days? Do you have a lot of assignments this week? Which class do you enjoy the most? I'm preparing for an exam, so it's been busy. Do you like studying in the library? Are your professors strict or friendly? I like group projects because they're more fun. Do you usually study at night or in the morning? I sometimes find it hard to concentrate while studying. Learning English is my favorite subject right now. Pause for a moment. You see, these sentences are short and practical. They're easy to remember, and they make you sound natural in everyday English. The best way to master them is through shadowing. Repeat after me, copy my tone, and practice regularly. Soon, you won't even need to think about what to say. It will just flow naturally. Small talk often becomes more fun when you bring up hobbies and free time. People love to talk about what they enjoy. What do you usually do in your free time? I like reading books whenever I get the chance. Do you play any sports? I started jogging recently. It feels amazing. Music is my favorite way to relax. Do you play any musical instruments? I've been learning guitar for a few months now. Do you enjoy painting or drawing? I like spending my weekends outdoors. Cooking is one of my favorite hobbies. Now let's move on to another fantastic small talk topic, travel. Travel always sparks excitement and curiosity. Have you traveled anywhere recently? I'd love to visit Europe someday. Which city do you like the most? Traveling always gives me so many good memories. Do you enjoy the beach or the mountains more? I went hiking last weekend. It was beautiful. Have you ever been on a road trip? I really enjoy discovering new places. Do you prefer traveling alone or with friends? One of my dreams is to see the Northern Lights. And of course, entertainment is something almost everyone loves to talk about. Movies, music, and TV shows can instantly make conversations feel more natural and connected. Have you watched any good movies lately? I love action movies. They're so exciting. Do you like comedy shows? My favorite actor is really talented. What kind of music do you listen to? I can't stop listening to this new song. It's stuck in my head. Do you prefer concerts or listening to music at home? I started watching a new series, and it's so addictive. Have you ever been to a live concert? I enjoy watching documentaries in my free time. Now let's talk about friends and social life. Small talk often happens when you're around friends or in social gatherings. These sentences will help you connect easily. Are you going out this weekend? I had a great time hanging out with my friends yesterday. Do you like going to parties? I prefer small gatherings instead of big crowds. Have you been to any good restaurants lately? I love trying new food with friends. Do you usually spend weekends with family or with friends? I met some really interesting people last week. How do you usually spend your Friday nights? I enjoy catching up with friends over coffee. You see, small talk doesn't need to be complicated. Just a few simple sentences can make conversations flow smoothly. By shadowing these phrases and practicing every day, you'll sound more confident, more natural, and more fluent in English. To complete our list of 100, here are the last 10 versatile small talk sentences that you can use almost anywhere. That's interesting. Tell me more about it. I've never tried that before, but it sounds fun. Do you usually wake up early or stay up late? I love mornings because they feel so peaceful. How do you usually relax after a long day? I enjoy taking a short walk in the evening. Have you read any good books recently? I like to learn something new every day. It's always nice talking to you. Hope you have a great day ahead. And there you have it, 100 small talk sentences for everyday English. These sentences are simple, natural, and powerful. If you practice them every day, especially with shadowing, you'll notice your fluency improving faster than ever. Remember, small talk isn't just about words. It's about connecting with people. The more you practice, the more confident you'll feel in real conversations. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like, share it with friends who are also learning English, and of course, subscribe to the channel for more lessons that will help you speak naturally, confidently, and fluently. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.